Hi students, before starting with the practice set 1.2, I want to give you some theory about it. Here, the types of sets. Singleton set, first one. In a singleton set, you will find only one element. A set consisting of a single element. Single element means one element is called a singleton set. For example, A is the set of even prime numbers. So here there is only one prime number which is even, and that is 2, and as here there is only one element, so we call it as a singleton set. Now the second one, empty set or null set. If there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called a null set or an empty set. Null set is represented by, here you can see the empty curly bracket. Okay, there are curly brackets, opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, but it is empty, there is not even a single element. Or you can use this sign which is called as phi. For example, B is a set of natural number between 1 and 2. See here there is no natural number which lies between 1 and 2, as there is no element between 1 and 2. So here we use it empty set. So these are the curly bracket which is without any element. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो B is equal to opening and closing curly bracket without any element, or you can use this sign of phi. So here we completed the second type of set. Now the third, finite set. Finite set, here if a set is a null set, if a set is a null set or number of elements are limited and countable, then it is called as finite set. So every null set is a finite set. Please remember this. And where the counting of element ends, this is called as finite set. Here, for example, C is a set of number from 1 to 22 divisible by 5. So here the numbers which is divisible by 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20, as it is only up to 22. So we can't go beyond that, and here the counting of element comes to an end. Now infinite set. If number of elements in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is called infinite set. For example, W is a set of whole numbers. W is a set of whole numbers. All of you know that whole number starts from 0. So here we write it as W is equal to, and we will write all the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, but where? Up to where? It never ends. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here we call it as infinite set, as the counting of element is not limited, it is an unlimited or it never ends. So here we call it as infinite set. Now the new concept, equal sets. I want to tell you something about it. If say suppose there are two sets, set A and set B, both of them have common elements, that is the same elements. Okay, then we call it as these sets are equal sets. Let's see here, if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A, then two sets A and B are said to be equal. It is denoted by A is equal to B. For example, P is a set of all X such that X is a letter in the word cataract. Please जरा cataract का spelling check कर लो. C-A-T-A-R-A-C-T. Now here we find out the elements of the word cataract. Here the first word, first alphabet. Here the first alphabet C then A, then T, then R, and remaining 3 A, C, T, these are repeated, so we write only C, A, T, R. Now second set, set Q. Set Q is a set of all y such that y is a letter in the word track, T-R-A-C. So here we write all the elements of set Q, T-R-A-C. All these elements are different, so nothing to eliminate. सब के सब एलिमेंट्स इसमें आ जाएंगे. अब हम अगर ध्यान से देखें तो here the elements are in the set P is C, A, T, R, and the same element you find it in set Q, C, A, T, R. Order is not important. The order of element is not important. So here we can say that set P and set Q contains exactly the same elements, therefore P is equal to Q. Now we will start with the practice set 1.2. Now we are starting with the practice set 1.2. Question number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. So here 3 sets are given to you, set A, B and C. We have to say that whether they are equal sets or not, and you have to give your justification. You have to prove it. So यहाँ पे हमें first A set 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. ये हमने लिया. And now here we will solve it. So 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore 3x is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 1. After cancellation we got 1. Therefore set A is having an element 1. Now we will see for B. Set B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Please remember there is only one number which is neither prime nor composite, and that is only 1. So 1 is the number which is neither prime number and nor composite. Now we will go for the next C. C is a set of all x such that x is an element of n. N stands for natural number and x is less than 2. So here natural number starts from 1 and it is less than 2. So only one element comes here and that is 1. Because now natural number, so remember natural number starts from 1 and here we got the condition that x is less than 2. So हमने 1 से start किया and less than 2 means only 1. So here we got the element 1. Now if you have seen set A, set B, set C, all of them are having equal element and that is 1. So here we can say that set A, B and C have an exactly same element, that is 1. Therefore set A, B and C are equal sets. We can write here as A is equal to B is equal to C. Now let's see for the question number 2. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. A, here it is given that A is even prime number. Even prime numbers. So only prime number which is even is 2. So here we are getting the element of set A as 2. Now let's see for the B. Set B is a set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. So here we will solve this equation. 7x is equal to minus 1 goes on the other side, so it becomes plus 1. So 7x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Therefore x is equal to 2. So set B is having an element 2. Now if you see that set A is also having an element 2 and set B is also having an element 2. So here we will write set A and B have an exactly same element, that is 2. Therefore set A and B are equal sets, and here we can say that A is equal to B. Now we will move towards the third sum. We are starting with the question number 3. Which of the following are empty sets Y? Here the first set, it is given as A is a set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Smaller than 0. So here natural numbers smaller than 0 is not at all possible, because natural numbers are always positive. And if you say any number less than 0, it becomes negative number. So here it is not possible. So it is an empty set. Therefore, it is an empty set. B. B is a set of all x such that x square is equal to 0. If x square is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, because square root of 0 is 0. Therefore, B is equal to 0. Remember, it is not a null set or an empty set. Why? Because there is an element which is 0. So एक एलिमेंट भी अगर हो तो वो empty set नहीं बनता है. So it is not an empty set here. It is not an empty set. Now the third one, C is a set of all x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is an element of natural number. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore 5x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2 upon 5. Remember, 2 upon 5 is not a natural number, and that's why we say that C is equal to empty set. So it is an empty set because here we got the condition as x is a natural number, and here x is not a natural number when you solve this equation. So we write it as C is a empty set. It is an empty set. Now we will move towards the question number 4. In this question number 4, write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. The first question is, A is a set of all x such that x is less than 10. So x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. So here natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and beyond 9 we cannot write. Why? Because it is less than 10. So हमारे elements होंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now here we can say that it is a finite set. Why? Because counting of an element comes to an end. It is a finite set. Now, after first, we will see the second. B is a set of all y such that y is less than -1 and y is an integer. So less than -1 means here all the negative numbers are less than -1. So we will start from -3 means unlimited numbers, then all negative numbers, then -3, -2, here -1, less than -1. So here I will complete. Now, so all negative numbers after -1, it comes here, and here on one side it is an uncountable or unlimited elements. So we say that it is a infinite set. C is equal to set of students of class 9 from your school. So here C, the set of students of class 9 from your school. Here you know that number of students of class 9 are limited and countable. Therefore, it is a finite set. Set of people from your village. Set of people from your village so number of people in a village are limited and countable. Therefore, it is a finite set. Set of apparatus in a laboratory. Number of apparatus in a laboratory are limited and countable. Therefore, it is a finite set. Set of whole numbers. All of you knows that whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore, here you can see that it is uncountable and unlimited. Therefore, we can say that it is an infinite set. Set of rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers. Therefore, it is an infinite set. So here we have completed the practice set 1.2. Thank you.